This is Tammy. I thought I would pop in here to do another recording on how to set up your campaigns, your capture pages where you're going to be driving traffic. Always remember you're sending pages to your clean white capture pages. So I'm going to show you 3 campaigns that I have set up right now. I just set up this page and I'm going to show you a sneak peek of what I do behind the scenes. And it's going to be a very step-by-step video here, so please do listen to the end so that you don't miss anything. So this is one of my campaigns. I'm going to be running some Craigslist ads to and some traffic, and it's real simple, as you can see, how to make an extra 1,000 to 10,000 per month without speaking or meeting anyone. So I see this one being right around the 30 to 50% opt-in rate, meaning 30 to 50 people out of 100 will be entering their email address. And with this campaign, I'm actually not going to be using a bridge page. I'm going to test it and I'm going to put it right to the 7-minute video that we have here with GFF, like you have as well. Okay, so that's one of the campaigns in the 10K Christmas category. So here we go. I'm going to go back in here. I can go in and show you another one that I did. I ran a solo ad and I was talking about how many opt-ins I got with this, and actually it ended up being a little bit more, and because I'd switched my main domain name. And so I'm testing this page here for the holiday images that I put up and whatnot on the internet. So earn 10K before the holidays with the short 7-minute video. That's also Curiosity, where they're going to opt in. And then now this one goes to my bridge page. I just want to tell you the difference. So I am testing to see, how the sales goes for each one of these, okay? The third one that I have for the 10K challenge, right here, the third drop down to 10K Christmas challenge is why aren't you making $1,000 a sale? As you can see, I haven't sent any here to this one because it's a brand new one. So those are 2 campaigns that I'm testing, and you can see how you can go into categories and you can create a new category. You can create unlimited categories actually with GFF, but if you want to do it like I do, you want to create this 10K one, okay? And you can put up these pages, and then your main domain name, let's say you have it on Facebook, your main domain name where a lot of people are seeing, your information. When they go here and they click here, I have this one actually pointing, well, I'm fixing it actually. It's going to be going to this one, okay? So I want to see how this converts versus this one. So see, it's a difference with the wording. So anyway, and all you have to do that, let me just go ahead and do a little more advanced training here. For your domains, all you have to do is whenever you want to repoint a capture page, right? You just go into your domain name, wherever you have it, GoDaddy, wherever you have it. So this one in particular is my Get Fearless Freedom Now, and that's where I have my social media. I have my Instagram, and I'm actually going to change it. So I'm going to go to Manage DNS because, as you know, no one wants to ever do any telling, selling, or explaining. So I'm going to change that page right now, as you can see. I always set it as temporary. All you do is to forward a domain. All you do is go into your GoDaddy and see where it has the HTTPS/. That's where you're going to put your long link for that campaign. So let me just go back in there, close some windows, show you what I'm doing. Close that window. Make sure you grab the right one that you want if you're doing the Christmas challenge. And so I'm going to grab, what did I say? This one. I'm going to grab this one. And it's going to be how to make an extra 1,000 to 10,000 per month without speaking or meeting anyone. Okay, I'm just going to grab that one. Forward here. And then you click save. That's actually what I'm doing right now, clicking save. So that's how you can change around and forward your, your GoDaddy and your domains and things like that to go to the proper page that you want. So watch this. I go to Get Fearless Freedom Now. That's my main domain name. So whatever you've chosen for Get Fearless Freedom Now, that's where it's going now. How to make an extra 1,000 to 10,000 per month without speaking or meeting anyone. Let me just test it. Always test it. Opt into your own page. and there it is. It's going right there. So I didn't even have them go into my bridge page because obviously with the 7-minute video, it's converting. And as you know, a lot of people don't have a lot of time nowadays, it seems like, especially around the holidays. So I'm ramping up all of my, advertising and marketing and sales. So anyway, this is actually a good video for anyone to watch to see how this system works. So you can actually create that 10K Christmas challenge, and it's so easy. It's only 10 people that need this system before Christmas. I know you can do it. I will see you on the next video and on the next Zoom, November 6th. Bye for now.